Okay, so we're trying to find the value of k given that x equals -6 as our breakpoint. Now, if you have a rational function, uh, it's always advisable to simplify it by factoring if it's factorable for you to have a simplified form of your equation. So if this is a continuous function and assuming that there is really a continuity between these two pieces of functions, the values of y should be the same given the value of x equals -6. So you have x squared minus 2x minus 35 over x squared minus x minus 42 equals k. So this is your first y and this is your second y. They are assumed to be the same because we are presuming that this is continuous at x equals -6. -6 serving as our breakpoint. Now we can simplify this function. As you can see, we will find factors of -35 that gives us a sum of -2. And that would be -7 and +5. And so the factors of x squared minus 2x minus 35 are this. So you see -7 times 5 is -35 and -7 times plus 5 is -2. Okay, this one we will try to find factors of -42 that gives us a sum of -1. So that would be 6 and -7. So therefore, x minus 7 and x plus 6. In most cases, okay, this is like your preparatory to calculus. In most cases, when you have these kinds of functions, you will surely have some kind of expressions that you can cancel out after that. So as you can see, we can cancel x minus 7 and x minus 7. So that will leave us to x plus 5 over x plus 6 is equal to k. But we know already that the value of our x is -6. So we can plug in -6 plus 5 over -6 plus 6 equals k. And you have -1 over 0 equals k, which gives us an undefined value. So therefore, there is no such thing as a limit, okay? There is no existing limit for a certain point at x equals -6 in this function. So therefore, our value of k here is undefined since the limit of your function as it approaches -6 does not exist.